Hi, we want to present you about our web called E-SciWorld.
First of all, our group consists of 5 students, which is Nihal Adwa, Atika Razi, Miguel Azizan, Wisnu Abdullah, and Amira Zakari. We are from Sekolah Menengah Sains and Section Shahabudin.
The concept for the E-SciWorld is this web can be used by students to help them understand and score in science subjects. It also applies visual learning methods where it will make it easier for them to remember a topic.
About this web, the title of E-SciWorld, Sci, comes from the subject of science. SciWorld means the word of science, while the letter E stands for cyber technology. Next, we have quiz questions provided for each chapter in Google Forms. And we also have interesting and colorful notes to help students remember it better.
Next, for the problem statement, science subject is one of the boring subjects if there are no interesting facts and activities making it difficult for students to apply in daily life. Furthermore, students face problems in understanding science subjects. For example, the reactivity series of metal which is quite difficult for some students to understand. Third, some students have trouble revising at last minute. This is because the student did not have time to make notes. And lastly, dense and complex notes cause students to lose interest and focus less in class because there are no activities that increase students' motivation for science subject.
For the marketability, it meets the needs of today's students who need to rely on virtual learning. In addition, this web makes it easier for teachers to carry out learning at school more efficiently. It also makes it easier for students to revise. This web aims to advance the education system in Malaysia towards a more modern direction.
Now for the objective. The first is to increase students' enthusiasm and motivation to understand science subjects. Besides that, this web will increase students' interest into science. And last but not least, this will be able to help students to revise at the last minute perfectly so that they can answer the exam and easily and pass with flying colours.
Welcome to E-SciWorld. So, for the first page, we have 3 buttons, which is notes, video reference, and question examples. One notes, you can just press the notes button and it will show every chapter in science subject for the notes. For example, chapter 1, stimuli and responses. All of this notes is made by our team member and it is easy to understand and remember because it is so colorful. Next, if you want video reference, you can just press the button and it will show you each chapter and the subtopic of the chapter. You can press any chapter or subtopic you want and it will show you YouTube video that you can understand it better. There is also question examples button and if you press it, it will show you each chapter and question you want to answer it. Just like this is the example of chapter 1, the stimuli and responses. You can answer it and you can see the answer if you get right or wrong. That's all from us. Thank you.